What are we doing today, boys?
We're jump starting a tractor.
Why are we jump starting it, Cam?
Because the battery is dead.
Okay, why don't you get in the seat there, Cam, and try to turn it on for just a little bit. We'll see what happens. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. All right, so let's go ahead and pop the hood there. There you go. I'll help you lift it. You're okay. That latches into place. We got the battery compartment down in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we've got our charger here. This can be used to charge, and it can also be used to jump start, right?
Mm-hmm.
So tell me about the black and the red there.
So this red cable goes on to the red plug in there.
Mm-hmm.
This black cable goes on to the black plug in there.
Okay. And the red one usually has a sign associated with it.
Oh yeah. The red stands for
Positive,
There you go.
black stands for
negative,
Uh-huh.
which is the minus sign, and positive is the plus sign.
Yep. So we've got a plus and a minus sign, and on the battery in there, you'll also see a plus and a minus sign, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get those hooked up.
Okay.
Yeah. Want me to hook them up for you?
No, I want
Kind of hard to squeeze. You want to hook it up? All right.
You can hold it for
All right. So go ahead and make your way around there. You got enough room to get up and over? Okay. Go ahead and squeeze it and clamp it on. Wiggle it some. Yeah, make good contact. Okay. Go ahead and clamp it on. Make sure you got enough lead there.
Do you need help squeezing it?
Yep, let Alex help you squeeze it. You can squeeze it, but you can't squeeze and reach. Got it on there? Making good contact?
There.
Okay, good. All right, so now we can plug in our charger. Move this. Okay. All right, now before you plug it in, let's look and make sure they're both off. All right, okay, go ahead and plug her in. You get it? You need some help.
That's good.
Yep, you're good.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna start low here. We're gonna turn this to hold. I'm just gonna give it a low charge. And check it. Looks like we need, there we go. Now she's running. So now we'll watch and see what's gonna happen if I turn that up to 15 amps.
This
Uh-huh.
knob thing
The
will
needle?
move. Yeah, the needle will move.
Needle will move and jump a little bit. Yeah. So now we're putting some charge onto that battery. We can either wait for a little while for the battery to get some charge, or if we need to use it kind of quickly, we can move up to engine start mode and see if we can get the tractor to start. Okay? So you want to get on there, see if it's doing anything yet? Hasn't been on very long. Your key off there? Okay. So that's good. It didn't take much. It didn't take much to get her started, did it?
Mm-mm.
No?
I'm like, come back.
I think what we're going to do is leave that charger on for a little while. So it's going to charge that battery for a little while. So tell me again what you learned about charging and jump starting something. Go ahead.
So the red cable goes on the red, which is positive. The red plug in there, which is positive.
Uh-huh.
The black cable goes on the black plug in there, which is negative.
Good. All right.
And when you start to jump start it, you always want to start low.
Okay. Yep. Always start low.
Make sure
and
it's on
move up.
hold.
Well, that depends. This one has a timer on it, so if we wanted to charge it for an hour, it would automatically shut itself off. So, just depends on what you want to do there. So, do you think you could jumpstart something if you had to? Yeah? Yeah? You think you could? Good. All right. Good job.